Hi Graphic family, this is Ishan from Graphic Studio, and today we're gonna cover the very important topic, which is what is tech pack. We will divide it into three sections. Number one part will be the definition of tech pack, and number two will be global standard of tech packs. Number three, we will show you what should include in the tech pack. We will show you with the examples. In all over the world, you will read a lot of definitions of the tech pack, but we will make it more simpler. So tech pack basically is an entire file, or you can say a blueprint or a technical document of a garment which explains how it should be constructed, what will be the color combinations, what will be the fabric details, what will be the branding and design details. In the same time, it will be also included the specs, measurements, gradings, and other a lot of stuff which we use to make the production very easier, reduce the mistakes during the production, and in the same time it will also help us to present to manufacturers. So in the second phase, I am going to show you three different kind of global standard tech packs which will help you to complete the requirements which a manufacturer asks you for your garments or for your any kind of apparel products. Let's jump into the first one, which is basic tech pack. So this kind of tech packs usually use beginners to create the first launch or first production, or you can say a very small startups. They use to create these kind of tech packs to complete the manufacturer needs. So now you can see the second slide, which is standard tech pack, or you can see normally an intermediate brands used to create this tech pack. So in the last category, which is most favorite of mine, I'm gonna explain it in very detail. So first step of this tech pack category is that front and back layouts. It will be very simple black and white flat illustration, or you can say flat sketch. Number two is that technical sketches, which is basically we explain what we are using in the tech pack in form of call out details. We need to explain each and every point, what will be the stitching, what will be the material, what will be the construction detail, accessory type, print type, embroidery type. We need to explain each and every point so that our manufacturers can get exact idea what exactly we are looking for. So in the next part of this template, we need to explain the color combination in the flat mockup page. We need to show our manufacturer that what colors we are looking for. For example, if we are doing a t-shirt in 10 different colors, we need to explain what will be the colors, what will be the color codes specifically for the print, for the fabric, and for any kind of accessory. We need to put very specifically all the color details in this slide so that our manufacturer will not do any mistake for our production. So in this phase, we will cover the artwork and design details, where we're gonna put all the details in terms of if we are using the print or embroidery. We need to put the color details, we need to put the specifications, or you can say measurements of that particular print or embroidery in this slide, so our manufacturer know that what colors we need for the printing or embroidery, or what will be the measurements we need. For example, if we are putting the logo on the left chest or across the chest, we need to explain it, and we need to provide that artwork with the measurements and color combinations. And the next phase is that size charts, or you can say measurements. In this phase, we need to put all the details in terms of size chart, measurement, size grading. We need to explain each and every detail in terms of measurements. So main label is basically a neck label, which we put it on the back of the neck in the garment, so that we need to put the details regarding our brand and the particular size of the garment, or we need to also put the which country is producing that particular garment. So these kind of details we need to put it on the main label, or you can say neck label. So next is a care label. We need to put all the care instructions of the particular garment which we are producing or which we need to produce. So in the other hand, we can also put the hang tag and swing tag, which we need to put in the garment after packing. We need to put the details and the design of the hang tag and swing tag in this part as well. So you can also put some more details like how you need to pack this particular garment. You can also put the design detail. For example, if we are using a zip up poly bag to pack that t-shirt, or if we are using any fresh poly bag packaging, if you want to put your logo on the fresh poly bag or zip up poly bag packaging, you need to give the instruction detail for the fresh polybag packaging or zip up polybag packaging with your brand logo and the details. So these are the three global standard TechPack templates which I have explained you. You can also access that link which I will mention in the description of that video. You can also access the link and you can get the free example from our website. You can just click on the link and you will get the three different kind of template TechPack examples from our website. So I hope I have cleared all the points which are floating in your mind. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you need more latest videos like these, you can subscribe our channel. Goodbye till the next video. Thank you.